Welcome back. In this chapter, we'll dive into the practical exercises and simulations that give you hands-on experience with DeFi concepts. By the end of this chapter, you'll have practical knowledge on how to use DeFi platforms, execute various types of transactions, and understand real-world opportunities to implement DeFi revenue streams. Let's get started. In today's video, we're going to be walking through the steps to set up a MetaMask wallet on your computer. And the first thing that we need to do is download MetaMask. MetaMask is a popular cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to interact with multiple blockchains, manage your digital assets, and engage with decentralized applications or dApps. So what you need to do to start is to open your preferred web browser and go to the official MetaMask website at metamask.io, and then always ensure that you're on the correct site to avoid any security risks. Once you're on the home page, it should look a little something like this, and you want to click on the download button here. MetaMask is available as a browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Edge, and Opera. Choose the browser that you're currently using. So for this tutorial, I'm using Edge, so you should have a similar looking button here. After selecting your browser, you'll be redirected to the respective extension store. Click on Add to Chrome or the equivalent button for your browser. So for me on Edge, it's Get. And if I do that, there'll be a pop-up that appears just asking for confirmation to add the extension. If you're happy, click Add. And after a while, it should appear in your icon's toolbar. So once it's installed, it should automatically pop up on your screen. If you haven't got that, then don't worry, you should be able to find it in the extensions tab here. Once you've got MetaMask open, you'll be presented with two options, either import or create a wallet. Since we're setting up a new account, we're going to click create a wallet. If you already had a MetaMask or another Ethereum wallet, you could use the import option to import that into MetaMask using your secret backup phrase or private key. It's particularly useful if you're switching devices or consolidating multiple wallets into one, or if you forget your password, you can recover your account using the seed phrase by clicking this import wallet section. But yeah, just for now, we're going to create a new wallet. MetaMask will ask if you want to help improve the extension by sharing anonymous data usage. It's completely optional, so choose based on your preference and click either I agree or no thanks. Next, we need to set up a strong password for your MetaMask wallet. This password will be used to unlock your wallet on this device. Keep in mind that this password is different from your secret backup phrase. It's only used locally on this device to protect your wallet from unauthorized access if someone's on your computer. If you forget this password, you can always restore access using your secret backup phrase, which is what we'll look at next. So let me just set a password quickly. Now comes a crucial step, securing your wallet with a secret backup phrase. This 12-word phrase is the key to accessing your wallet from any device. MetaMask will provide you with this phrase once we click on the Secure My Wallet button. It is definitely worth stopping to watch this video and review the information given here, which outlines the importance of the seed phrase and has some bullet points for best practices, which we will also cover later on. Click on Reveal Secret Words to view your backup phrase. Make sure to write down these words in the exact order and store them in a secure place. The secret backup phrase is the only way to recover your wallet if you forget your password or lose access to your device. Sharing this phrase with anyone is akin to giving them full control over your wallet. For personal use, it is advisable to write down your secret backup phrase and store it in a secure location, such as a safe or a safety deposit box. Avoid digital storage methods that are susceptible to hacking, such as storing it in a text file on your computer or taking a screenshot. For institutional use, consider using multi-signature wallets and hardware security modules to manage access and storage of these backup phrases. This would add an extra layer of security, ensuring that multiple approvals are needed for any critical operations. To ensure you have correctly stored your backup phrase, MetaMask will ask you to confirm it by selecting the words in the correct order. Complete this step and click Confirm. Once confirmed, you'll see a message indicating that your wallet is set up successfully. Click All Done or Got It to proceed. Now that your MetaMask wallet is set up, let's take a quick tour of the interface. At the top, you'll see your account name and public address. This address is what you'll use to receive cryptocurrencies. You can see your full address by looking at the account details here. where you can also rename your wallet. Below that, you'll find your account balance, which currently shows 0 since we haven't added any funds yet. And below that, you'll see options to buy, send, and swap tokens along with Bridge and the portfolio button. And that's it. You've successfully set up your MetaMask wallet and can now fund it from your exchange account. From here, you can start exploring decentralized applications, buy and transfer cryptocurrencies, and manage your digital assets securely, which is what we'll start looking at in the upcoming videos. Remember to always keep your secret backup phrase safe and never share it with anyone. Thank you for following along, and I'll see you in the next video.